Let's go back to the 1-inch brush, go to the phthalo blue and tap it. And then we're gonna start adding some water here on the bottom. Just make some strokes to go left to right. Do that over here too. We're gonna leave a little white spot right in through here. And now go back to the 2-inch brush and just run this all the way through to smooth it out. Now we don't want to get rid of all of these lines. You'll start seeing some brush strokes in here. It actually does make it look like waves, which is really cool. So don't get rid of those. Gives us something to work with. And now we have some water. Now if you start your brush too far here and it's got too much of the blue on there, it is going to be a little bit more of a hassle to actually get rid of that spot, but it's doable due to the fact that we have the liquid white on there. So you just blend over it and it starts to disappear.